No, no. We went out for a walk. As you see, it's a little bit cold now, right? But yeah. Let's see those ducks. Don't scare them or something. Oh, don't go, no, no. So, here I used to take my boat out on this lake, you know? Remember? But now it's not exactly time for the. Let's see. Okay. Let's go a little bit there. Let's take a walk. So suddenly it got really cold. I mean, it's about now 6 degrees, so it's about 2 degrees plus in the morning, and about 6-7 degrees now. But in the woods it feels kind of cold. You want to take this way, or no? Come here, come. Right, Tank? Huh? Cold? No? No? I think so. So, what have you seen here? Ah, there's some kind of a fruit here. I'm not sure if they're good to eat, so no. Let me show you how they look. They look like this, but no, I don't think it's. Look, a small turtle here in the park. Can you just arrange this one a little bit? Thank you. No, down, like this. Okay, leave it. Yeah, go ride it. That's good. Let's go there to see this small bridge. I think you should have dressed a little bit warmer, no? You're not cold with this jacket? Let's see. Look, these other fruits that we have near home. Yeah, they look like this. I don't know exactly which kind of berries or something. Some forest fruits. Here's another nice view over this smaller lake. This is not the same that we showed you in the previous video. This is just a smaller lake. 2 minutes from my house. Huh? Exploring the Swedish forest, if we can call it like this. I mean, it's basically here is like 50 meters from the buildings, the residential buildings. But that's good. I mean, here at least in Sweden, you can say if you want to take a walk in the forest, you don't have to go too far. What? A mushroom? Ah, leave it. Ah, yeah, everywhere. Okay. Beautiful day. A short walk out. And then probably the next days we're gonna go and to show you Skansen, this beautiful park in Stockholm, okay? Where you can take beautiful photos over the Stockholm city and everything, and there are some animals there. In Sweden, basically they don't like this idea of having a zoo, you know, because they think the animals should be wild, and I partially agree with them, but not entirely, because still you can have animals in the zoo, but of course you have to, I mean, have good conditions for them, like. So this Skansen is kind of a Swedish version of zoo, like where animals are running into bigger places. No, they're not closed in cages, which I agree. I mean, it's not good for an animal to be closed in a cage. Look, this bench, like really like bench in the woods. I mean, it's not like... What? You want to take a photo? Of what? Okay, take. Let me just let's just see this small bridge here, this wooden bridge that is going under the highway into the other part, to the other lake. Actually, this is like a walk that we should do every day, like this, like about 35-40 minutes, or 40 minutes walk, just to have a little bit of fresh air. So here, if you want to fish, it says that you have to have a license or something. Yeah, I don't see so many fishermen now out. Oh, okay. Take a photo. Ah. Okay. Wait a second. Just to stop the video. It's soon gonna be 10 minutes. So wait a second. Okay. So enough of our little afternoon walk. So, you want to take some photos of these plants and bridge or something? Okay, see you later.